This is a maintenance video. If you own a Prius that looks like this, that's a 4th generation, I believe, and you have not changed the high voltage battery air filter, you need to watch this video. Okay, it's very important. Just like the AC, okay, the cabin air filter for the AC, and also for the engine, you change it, you must change this one as well. Now the good thing is the other ones don't give you a warning, the first two I mentioned, but this one here for the high voltage battery, if it's clogged, then it will give you a warning, and that warning means that your high voltage battery is not functioning properly, where it tells you to take the vehicle to the dealership. And you know what will happen, the dealer will charge you over $100, okay, $200 or more, because they will do some nonsense diagnostic to know what's going on, when in fact they already know that's what the problem is. So for this car, you go, that's the right passenger side, okay, and then the rear door and the seat, the back seat, there is a window right here. See, that's where it's at. So basically the car uses this battery, it uses the air inside the vehicle. So if you on PET, okay, and you keep your car dirty, then yes, it will be clogged. This will be clogged up. There will be a lot of hair, fur, and you name it, if you keep your car dirty. But if you don't, then maybe some people will go 100,000 miles away, they don't have to replace it. Okay, so I'm showing you how to do this right now. Okay, this is it, and it has a little plastic fastener, and you can okay, just pause it. Good. All right, so I was having a lot of problem removing this the plastic screw. So all I did is I just pried it open, and so see, like this. And this is the filter is back here. Okay, that's the filter. It's attached here like this. Okay, you got 2 tabs, and you remove it, and you go ahead and you can replace or clean it. Oh, this one is really dirty. I need to buy another one. But okay, so this is the old one, and we are several weeks later. I went online, and remember, I cleaned this a little bit because I didn't have a replacement. So I went online because it was difficult to get one at the auto parts store. Dealership will carry them, but auto parts, no. So I bought this for about $12. You can get that in eBay or yeah, okay. So they sell them at different prices. So what you do is you cannot miss it. You cannot put it backward either. Okay, so it goes like this. So there's that little see hole pre-drill holes, okay, and then we got the tab here. You attach it, yeah, to the tab. All right, so this is it. I had to trim and readjust the hole because this one was the aftermarket one's a little bit too long. But again, it's not an issue. So this is how it is. You install it, and I'm just going to place it back in the car. And I also changed the clip because the other clip was hard to get out. So I have other clip. So this is it. Even though it looked insignificant, but this is a great maintenance. If you don't take care of this thing here, it will the vehicle will tell you that you need to take it to the dealership. Okay. So this is it. I pre-position, and I'm just going to place it back. It's very easy, to do. But again, it's a good job maintenance that you must do to keep the hybrid battery in great shape. Okay, so I have a replacement clip because the other one was bad. So place it in there and then just push it in, and voila. If you go to a dealership, they'll charge a lot more money. Okay, they'll probably charge $50 to $100 just to do this. So thanks for watching.